Hey everyone, welcome back to another Fast Tip Friday. In this episode we're going to look at a hidden feature of the Mavic 2 Pro where we're able to actually pan the gimbal left and right in addition to up and down, which we can do with the wheel on the controller. So let's have a look at this. So to get the gimbal to pan left and right, this is super simple, and just to make this easier to see, I'm going to swipe down to enter full screen mode. And all we need to do to pan left and right is push and hold on the iPhone screen here, and then just move the finger left and right. So if I move the finger to the left here, we can see it's panning over towards me. And if I move the arrow further across, it pans quicker. And there's the leg of the Mavic. And we can also pan all the way to the right. Once again, the further I move it, the quicker the gimbal is going to move. And we can say moving all the way to the right here. And there's the other leg of the Mavic. If you want to quickly reset the gimbal so it's looking straight ahead and not left and right, the quickest way to do it is to use this custom button here, and we just press it once. This moves the gimbal straight down, and just again we'll move it straight up and to the center. And in addition to using this technique to pan left and right, you can also look up and down and pretty much move the gimbal any way you want. So once again, I'll hold down and press firmly on the screen, and this time we'll go over to the left and we'll also scroll up. And we can see my beautiful face here with a little bit of a delay from the recorded video. Hello. So that's how we can use this hidden feature of the Mavic 2 to pan left and right, and obviously you can use this during flight as well. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more Fast Tip Fridays. See ya!